Earn $500 every time you post on Facebook for free. Hello guys, today we are using Facebook to earn money, as you already know, but I'll be combining another platform along with Facebook in order to make this work. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, so I'll be sending you a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. So the first step is to create a Facebook account. I know that most of you already have one, but if you don't have, you should create one. Add a cover and a profile picture and you are good to go from there. So once you have your account created, what you need to do is to click this plus button located in the upper right corner and go to group. This will bring you over to this page, and as you guessed, we will be creating a group. Well, this might be confusing for you now, but if you do not skip a single second of this small video, all these will be crystal clear for you. So stay with me until the end of this video. Now the group we are creating needs to be in the niche of making money online. So you name it as Make Money Online. So mine will be this Make Money Online Money Machine. Next, you should choose the privacy of the group. You should set this to public, as anyone can see who's in the group and what they post. So basically, people don't need to be members of this group to see group posts. Then you can add a few people to your group as well. Then click on this create button. So now we have created the group. Once you created the group, you should add a professional looking cover relating to making money online. So you can go to canva.com. I guess you may already know this. And first of all, you have to go and sign up here to get registered if you are not registered. Well, Canva is essentially a designer's website, but you can design a bunch of stuff for free. Those may vary from Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts. This is what we are going to do now: Facebook covers, invitations, cards, presentations, websites, posters. I'm not going more deep into this website. So we have come to create a cover for our Facebook group. So let's go to Facebook covers. And you can choose a template from here and edit that template. You can play around, make a professional looking cover. So I'll go with a simple cover, just like this one, and click this button and start editing and make yourself a professional looking cover. And make sure you type this one below. Read the announcements below. Put your name here and put this and download it. And go to Facebook, click on edit, upload photo and upload. So we have created our group. With that out of the way, let me now reveal to you the site that will be paying us today. I guess many of you haven't heard about this. So let me briefly explain. OfferVault is an affiliate marketplace where you can find many offers that will pay you for promoting them. For those of you who are familiar with affiliate marketing, you must probably have heard about ClickBank and Digistore24. Both those are awesome affiliate sites, but they lack CPL or cost per lead offers. But OfferVault, as you may guess, has them. The thing with CPL offers is that, as its name itself, you get paid per leads. As in, you need people to sign up to promote particular websites for absolutely free. These are not stock contract offers you can find on ClickBank or Digistore24 that literally requires someone to buy a product for you to get paid. And since convincing someone to buy something is much harder, you will easily be able to get far more people to your affiliate link using CPL offers. So there's a huge potential that you make more money from this strategy than anything else. This is why OfferVault is a perfect website to use. So in order to start, you can go and register here by completing this simple form. You can give your first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, and select your country. No need of Skype. If you like, you can give your Skype ID as well. Look at this. When you're selecting the country, you can select any country in the world. That means this works worldwide. And now that you have your account, and you will be able to get affiliate links for offers, and we'll be focusing on gift cards in particular, and I will explain you why in a second. So you can go to categories and search and select this category CPL and type gift cards, and this will now show you the people who are offering gift cards. And gift card offers are the easiest way to go because everyone would love to earn some free money, right? Which is why we created a make money online group on Facebook before. The people in that group will be surely interested in free gift cards, and all those people have to do for you to get paid is to sign up for free to a particular website, then have a chance to win a free gift card while you get paid. So that means win and win for both parties. And you can click on an offer and grab an affiliate link, and the next step is to create a new Gmail account. This should be a brand new Gmail account, and I'll tell you why during the next step. Create a new Gmail account and go to settings and see all settings, and you can come all the way down and come to this vacation responder. What vacation responder is, it sends an automated reply to incoming messages. If a contact sends you several messages, this automated reply will be sent at most once every 4 days. This is why we are using a brand new Gmail account, because if you are using your day-to-day Gmail account, you will get messages to your inbox, and this vacation responder will respond this to all your messages. So you can type here, subject will be congratulations, and the message will be stand a chance to win $1,000 gift card by clicking on this link. So here you can give the amount of your gift card followed by the name of the gift card provider. Go back to offer vault, copy your affiliate ID and paste it here and save changes. Go to the group you created and type something like this. It says $1,000 giveaway. Type the particular amount of the giveaway here, and you should type follow these simple steps to win. You can change these words actually. Like and share this post. Add 10 members to this group. Send a mail with a screenshot of this group to your email at gmail.com. Here you should give the new Gmail you created. By the way guys, this post will do 3 very important things for you. When they like and share this post, it will get some engagement to your group. And when someone adds 10 members to this group, obviously it will bring new members to the group. And more importantly, in order for people to receive the link to the gift card giveaway, they have to contact you through email, right? And every time that someone does, your vacation responder will automatically reply them with your affiliate link. Most probably each and every person will sign up to the website for free in order to win the giveaway, and you will get paid. As I said, win and win. Go ahead and post this to your group now. Well, this is a very unique and a powerful way to get traffic to your affiliate links. You just have to set up this only once. Your Facebook group will grow, and at the same time your affiliate link will get loads of clicks and you'll get paid. Here's a bonus tip. When the giveaway concludes, get more affiliate links to more giveaways by OfferVault and drive traffic to those using the same strategy. As I said before, this is win and win. Your Facebook group members may win giveaways and you'll get paid. Furthermore, when they win the giveaways, they will definitely publish how they won in your group feed. And when you start a brand new giveaway, there will be more and more members who will sign up through your affiliate link in order to win. Guess what? You'll get paid even more money in passive income. So I really hope you guys got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you won't miss out on any new content. As always, thanks for watching.